LangMagic provides an option to create annotations for each video, while also saving freshly picked up vocabulary to revise later, a tool that both teachers and students can use. You can easily save any words or phrases by clicking the Save button. It's up to you whether to save them with or without context. When you click on a saved phrase, LangMagic will take you directly to the moment in the video where the phrase is spoken. You also have the option to play all your saved phrases, and there are controls to adjust how they're played back. Now, let's dive into what really sets LangMagic apart. While many apps let you save words and phrases, LangMagic goes beyond that, allowing you to create detailed notes from any text using YouTube subtitles. You can also enhance your notes by adding translations in multiple languages or ChatGPT outputs with just one click using the Copy to Note button. Once you've added them, you can jump into the text editor to format your notes, insert links, or even include images. And soon you'll be able to add audio and video notes too. When you're done annotating, sharing your work is simple. Just head over to the left side of the screen and click the top left arrow. From there, find the video you want to share. Click the three dots next to it and choose Copy Public Link to copy it to your dashboard. Want to share an entire playlist? No problem. Just click the link icon next to the playlist name. If you are a teacher, LangMagic has even more to offer. Switch to teacher mode. Create your annotations and publish them in a library or on your profile. All of your work will be linked to your LangMagic profile, where you can also sell any services or products. Feel free to add links to your Italki page, downloads, or courses to make it easy for others to find and access them. If you have any questions, please make sure to watch the rest of our tutorials or contact us by clicking the question mark button, and we will get back to you as soon as possible.